Thanks for shooting my boobs.
I wasn't. It was the box. Please don't break all my boxes.
You need a roof?
Are you gonna break all the boxes in my house?
Except that one.
Here, Miracle, you record. I gotta pee. Oh, jeez.
I can't.
Is this an apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see through this hole. Here. Get your finger out of there.
It's not a finger.
Hey, you can't see me. Because it's too dark. I need a flashlight. Don't make it bigger. Okay, bye-bye.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
No.
bye-bye. Wow.
But that was your roof. Now you don't have anything to cover you from the rain.
It's not raining.
It is raining.
This one's got tape in it.
Yeah.
Nice sun hat.
You look like a boxer. Hello. Oh my gosh, she needs to come out of the bathroom and see this. Ashley, look. Hold on. Just hide in the box.
You tape.
Put your hand out. Okay. You can't laugh. What the? Ashley. Ashley. What the fuck? You're such a creeper. Okay. Ew. I don't know. Is she coming?
You can see my back.
No, you. Not really.
I can't get any lower.
You're good. I'm waiting on her.
Ashley! Come on!
Let's go!
Hey. Hey! Hey!
Ew, you spit on my nose. Ew. I don't want to run around in the skirt anymore.
You sure the thing's even still recording?
Yeah, it is.
Hi.
Oh, wait, I think it might be paused. Wait, no, it's not. No, it's still going.
I'm about to...
Have you broken that box yet?
No.
Yes, you have, I see.
I'm like
It's all
on it.
dented and stuff.
I'm like leaning on this one.
No. Hey, Miracle.
I need a flashlight so that I can be like creepy inside this box.
She look like a dog. She's box woman.
Hello. I need a flashlight so you can like see me.
No.
Ah!
Nice boob
I
shot.
emerged from my cocoon.
Are you a butterfly?
Of cardboard.
You have like 20 seconds left. Not
Someone give me some wings.
I have no
I need,
wings.
like, cardboard.
What are you, an Insectosaurus? Butterflyosaurus.